Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of underrated creative wooden log crafts. Watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Creative wooden log crafts provide a unique opportunity to repurpose natural materials into stunning home decor, functional items and whimsical art pieces. The charm of wooden logs lies not only in their rustic aesthetic but also in their versatility, allowing crafters to experiment with various techniques and designs. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or a novice looking to explore your creativity, wooden log crafts offer a plethora of ideas to enhance your space and connect with nature. One of the most accessible projects involves creating rustic log candle holders. Candle holders made from logs can add a warm, inviting glow to any room. To make your candle holder, select a sturdy log with a flat base. Use a drill equipped with a spade bit to create holes in the log to fit tea light candles, votives or pillars, depending on the size of the log. Sand the edges to ensure a smooth finish and enhance the natural beauty of the wood. You can customize your candle holder by leaving the log in its natural state or painting it with vibrant colors or patterns. Grouping multiple candle holders together can create a stunning centerpiece for dining tables or mantels, infusing your living space with warmth and charm, perfect for cozy evenings at home. For those interested in outdoor decor, log planters offer an attractive way to showcase flowers, herbs, or succulents. Again, choose a log that has been hollowed out either by using a chainsaw or an auger drill. Ensure proper drainage by drilling holes in the bottom. You can leave the exterior of the log natural for a rustic look, or paint it to match your outdoor decor. Fill the planter with potting soil and your choice of plants, placing it on your porch, patio, or garden. Not only do log planters beautify your outdoor spaces, but they also provide a unique way to celebrate nature by incorporating live plants into your decor. Another creative idea is to use logs to create a charming garden bench. A log bench can become a focal point in your backyard, providing a perfect spot to relax and enjoy nature. Start with a sturdy, wide log for the seat and use smaller logs as legs. Secure the logs together with screws or wood glue, ensuring stability. Sand the edges for comfort, and consider applying a weatherproof sealant to protect your bench from the elements. You can personalize the bench by carving initials, quotes, or patterns into the wood, making it a unique addition to your outdoor space. For a more whimsical approach, consider making log animals or figurines. This craft is particularly engaging for children, allowing them to use their imagination while working with natural materials. Start with small logs for the body and use twigs, acorns, or stones for legs, heads, and features. Carving or painting the logs can bring your creations to life, transforming them into charming woodland creatures. Not only can these log animals serve as playful decorations for a children's room or garden, but they also provide an engaging activity that fosters creativity and hands-on skills. Log coasters are another practical yet beautiful craft that can be made using thick slices of logs. These coasters serve a functional purpose while showcasing the natural wood grain. Cut logs into uniform slices and sand down the edges to ensure a smooth surface. You can leave them plain or apply a protective sealant to enhance durability. For a personalized touch, consider painting designs or initials on the coasters. They make excellent gifts for housewarmings or weddings and add a rustic charm to any coffee table. Creating log wall art is a fantastic way to make use of smaller logs and branches. This craft allows for immense creativity, as you can arrange the logs in various patterns, shapes, and designs. Begin by selecting a base, such as a canvas or a wood board, and arranging your logs in a visually appealing way. You can create abstract designs or representational art, such as trees, mountains, or animals. Secure the logs with wood glue or nails, and finish by painting or staining the piece to bring out the wood's natural beauty. Mount your log wall art on your wall to create a conversation piece that connects nature with your interior design. For those looking to combine functionality with artistry, consider crafting a log bookshelf. This project requires careful planning and execution but results in a stunning statement piece for your home. Start by selecting several logs of varying sizes to create shelves. Using a sturdy base log, secure the logs at intervals to hold your vertical shelves. Sand the edges and use a wood finish to protect it from moisture. A log bookshelf adds a rustic touch to living rooms or studies, showcasing books or decorative items in a unique way. Another engaging project involves creating wooden log picture frames. This craft is an excellent way to display cherished memories while adding a personalized touch to your decor. Cut logs into thin slices for the frame's borders, and arrange them around a simple backing. Attach the slices with wood glue and allow them to dry completely. You can leave the frame natural, paint it, or even add embellishments like floral designs or quotes. These wooden log frames can beautify your walls and also serve as thoughtful gifts for loved ones. For a seasonal twist on log crafts, consider creating log holiday decorations. During the winter season, you can transform logs into adorable snowmen. Use various sized logs stacked on top of each other, painting them white and adding features like buttons, noses, and hats. Alternatively, create log ornaments by cutting smaller slices and painting them with designs that symbolize the holiday spirit. These pieces can embellish your home for festive occasions and create cherished memories for years to come. For those with children, crafting log toys offers a fun and interactive way to engage kids with nature. Small logs can be transformed into cars, trains, or even building blocks. Incorporating wheels made from bottle caps or wheels cut from thin slices of logs can add functionality. The simple act of making toys from logs encourages children to explore their creativity, and it also fosters imaginative play. These handmade wooden toys can become cherished keepsakes as they grow older. Decorative log pillars can enhance any outdoor or indoor space, providing a rustic touch that brings the outdoors in. These pillars can be made by cutting logs into cylindrical shapes, then sanding and varnishing them to create a polished finish. They can be used as standalone pieces or incorporated into existing furniture. You might consider stacking different sized logs to create an eye-catching centerpiece for a dining table or patio. Adding candles, plants, or decorative items on top can also create an inviting atmosphere. Another creative project is crafting a log clock. This unique timepiece can become a functional focal point in any room. Start with a round log slice as the base and attach clock mechanisms available at craft stores. Customize it by marking hours with numbers or small twigs, incorporating unique designs, or even painting the log slice. The rustic charm of a log clock resonates beautifully in farmhouse kitchens or cozy living rooms, blending functionality and artistry. Wooden log keychains provide a simple yet delightful craft project. Start with small disc-shaped slices of logs, and drill a hole for a keyring. You can personalize each slice with names, initials, or small designs using wood-burning tools or paint. These rustic keychains make great gifts and can be used as party favors or mementos. Their handmade nature adds a special touch that mass-produced items lack. Creative wooden log crafts not only celebrate the beauty of wood but also give us the opportunity to connect with nature through artistic expression. Each crafted piece holds the potential to transform spaces while reflecting our individuality and creativity. Incorporating wooden logs into your crafts enables you to embrace sustainability by repurposing materials that might otherwise go to waste. With countless possibilities, from practical items like coasters and shelves to whimsical creations like animal figurines and holiday decorations, the world of wooden log crafts offers inspiration for every age and skill level. Engaging in log crafts fosters a sense of accomplishment, enhances motor skills, and encourages creative thinking. Whether you choose to work solo, involve family members, or host crafting parties with friends, the process of creating wooden log crafts is enriching and rewarding. As you navigate through various ideas and techniques, the journey to transform simple logs into works of art not only beautifies your space but also enriches your life experiences. Ultimately, creative wooden log crafts provide a canvas for self-expression while embracing the beauty of nature. By exploring these ideas, you can create lasting memories, functional items, and artistic treasures that resonate with your personal style. Dive into the world of log crafts and allow the charm of wooden logs to inspire your next creative project, making your home a reflection of your ingenuity and love for nature. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.